In a world echoing societal expectations and personal struggles, how do we find our identity in Christ?
Hey there, friends. Today, let's dive into a topic that resonates with many of us: finding our true identity in Christ. In a world that bombards us with messages about who we should be, it's easy to lose sight of who we truly are. If you would like to learn more, check out our blog post at battlearmor.org. We live in a world that constantly tells us we need to fit a certain mold, meet certain standards, and measure up to the expectations of others. Social media, societal norms, and the pursuit of perfection can leave us feeling lost, questioning our worth and identity. But my friends, the truth is that our identity is not found in the fleeting standards of the world. It's rooted in something deeper, something eternal, our identity in Christ. The Bible tells us in Galatians 2:20, "I have been crucified with Christ. It is no longer I who live, but Christ who lives in me." This powerful truth reveals that our identity is intertwined with the person of Jesus Christ. When we understand our identity in Christ, it changes everything. No longer do we need to conform to the world's expectations or feel the weight of societal pressures. Instead, we find freedom and purpose in being children of God. God created each one of us uniquely with a purpose and a plan. Your identity is not defined by your past mistakes, your appearance, or what others say about you. It's defined by God's love and the work of Christ on the cross. I know life can be tough. We face personal struggles, doubts, and moments of despair, but in those times, remember that your identity in Christ is unshakable. You are a new creation, destined for greatness because of the one who lives in you. So, my friends, embrace your identity in Christ. Let go of the world's standards and rest in the truth that you are loved, chosen, and uniquely created. You are not alone in your journey. Christ is with you, shaping you into the person He designed you to be. Thanks for joining me today. Remember, you are fearfully and wonderfully made. If you would like to learn more, check out our blog post at battlearmor.org.